Here's a question. If I could take 30 to 60% of your team's repetitive work off their plate in the next 90 days without replacing a single employee, would you want to see how? Because that's what we're doing for businesses right now. And here's the first thing they get wrong. Most owners think they have a marketing problem. They don't. They have an execution problem. You paid for the lead, someone forgot to follow up. A customer filled out a form and got a reply 6 hours later. A proposal was meant to go out, it's still in drafts. Invoices went out late. Appointments weren't confirmed. Your team is busy all day, but the important work still doesn't get done. None of it looks like a crisis. All of it cost you. Here's the truth. You're not losing to businesses with better products. You're losing to businesses with better systems. And the ones winning understand one rule. Every repetitive task should be done by software. Every revenue-generating task should be done by people. If your highest paid people are copying data, sending reminders, and chasing follow-ups, you're paying premium salaries for work that should already be automated. That's not a people problem. That's a systems problem. And that's where we come in. At Rainitas Tech, we build two things. Growth OS, the system that runs your operations, and AI workforces, the agents that do the work inside it. Both built around your business, not a template you have to bend yourself to fit. Here's what that actually looks like. New leads contacted within seconds, appointments that book themselves, prospects followed up automatically until they respond, customers answered instantly, your CRMS updating itself, reports writing themselves. Your team walks in each morning with fewer repetitive tasks and more time to close deals. No extra hiring, no extra management. We've built these for more than 40 companies across every industry you can think of. The results? 47,000 operational hours handed back. The businesses winning over the next 5 years won't have the biggest teams. They'll have the best systems. Because systems scale, people hit capacity. So if you're doing at least 6 figures and you're serious about scaling, book a free AI system strategy session. We'll audit your operations, show you where time and money are leaking, and give you a practical roadmap. And if we don't see a clear opportunity to create value, we'll tell you. Click below.